Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Toyota RAV4 Limited 4x4. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 164,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.